Welcome back. Now we are going to be talking about Bank Nifty. Just now we talked about Nifty. I know you are going to enjoy it. Bank Nifty and Nifty stories are seeming to be diverging from each other. That is why I thought I should talk about it. Uh, uh, in recent past, Bank Nifty and Nifty have been moving in the same way, same direction. Bank Nifty having little more volatility, but in my opinion, now they may start diverging the stories. So I'm not very sure about it. That's what my charts talk about it, or maybe I'm making some mistake in reading either Bank Nifty or Nifty stock, and we probably will need to correct ourselves. Everything is possible in markets, but that doesn't stop me from making my opinion and then placing my trades based on what I see. Before we go ahead, risk disclosure, you already know it. It's your risks. Please look at this only as training, and make your decision to use or not to use this piece of information, and then be responsible for your trades. So let me just quickly go to the browser, and this is a very high level picture. Hmm? And in the highest level picture, the grand super cycle, it looks like this red. You have completed the first, just like Nifty 2007, and then 2009 you completed the second, and then you started the third wave. Unlike Nifty, though, this does not seem to be a 1 and a 2. Okay, this seemed to be a 1 and a 2, and now I'm talking about this black. So there is a 1, there is a 2, and then there is a 3 here, there is a 4, and then there is a fifth. So unlike Nifty, we believe that Bank Nifty is in the fifth of third. Okay, in Nifty, we thought it is probably in the third of third, but this looks like it is in the fifth of third. Uh, the reason because we are talking about is here, if you really look at it, there couldn't have been a third directly starting from here. The only other way could have been one. This is a two, this is ABC2, and then this is a third. Even if I do this third compared to first, this third is small, and then fifth is a pretty big leg, right? So third does not show to be, yes, it is aggressive, most aggressive, but this by size wise, it doesn't look to be very nice to me. So I'm not 100% sure. As we fold little more information, little more data, we will know better about it. Okay, but that's how my count is at this point in time. So in the super cycle, we are on the black, which is the fifth wave. Now within that fifth wave, we have got the blue wave, which is the cycle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very similar to that of Nifty. But again, here there are some details which are little different. So within this third, you are able to see a very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again, which is coming around very well. You again are able to see ABC very well here, and then from here, if I zoom in, yes, we are able to see it in the red. That was cycle. So this is going to be intermediate. 1, 2, 3, and we probably would have finished the fourth here. Okay. In Nifty, I thought that we probably are in ABC correction still, and because we are talking about a correction of a larger time frame. Here we are not. We are at a different level. So we probably would have finished ABC here. And now Bank Nifty seems to have started the journey up. Okay. And within that up journey, and here you are able to see in black 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very nicely blue. I mean, you can get into as many details as you want, and you will be able to plot that. Okay. So within this particular piece, let me just go into daily quickly. Not much to show on daily, and then we will go to hourly. So if you look at the daily charts, you are able to see very nice ABC correction. That is why I believe that the fourth wave correction seems to be over. And if you ask me, this is around 38%. So fourth wave 38% is a pretty nice correction. If you were Fibonacci trader, you would have been, you couldn't have missed this. Okay. There was one more target that we talked about, 38,100, 200, but doesn't seem to be coming around there, probably. And now let's go to the hourly chart, just to talk about the little bit of details out here. And if you see in hourly chart, you are able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very nicely. This was a very painful, long running correction. I will not be able to talk about it. I know how they point, but I am not going to get through it. And then you have had, if you really ask me, you have had a very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as I can see at this point in time, which could have been a one of the up leg. Okay, now we are going to 5 leg up, which I mean, if you want my Fibonacci targets, the Fibonacci targets would probably be somewhere around here. Okay, so we are talking about 45,400 around levels, and it's not going to happen just one sided, right? So in that, we probably would have done the first, it looks like. And now let's talk about that in details. So now we are on hourly chart. So this is the first wave that we talked about, seems to have been over. Now from here, if I look at it, and just a second, I think it was here, right? Yeah, this candle low is 39,490. 39,490 will be somewhere here. Yeah, that's right. So if I draw the Fibonacci levels all the way from here to here, so the wave 2, if it has to be, it has to be minimum 50% and ideally 61% or more. So I'm going to be expecting a target of either 14,700 or a target of around 14,440. Yeah. So it looks like we will, before going there, it will correct a little bit, because if at all I need to see ABC, and I'm not able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also here. So there is only a 1, a 2, and a 3, and probably we are in fourth. So fifth is still there. Fifth, then we will have a wave B probably, and then wave C. By the way, Nifty and Bank Nifty have surprised us, just giving 1, 2, 3 kind of correction. I have surprised us just giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then reversing. So don't when it comes to corrections, don't say that the leg has to be there and I will wait. Nifty and Bank Nifty have surprised many times. Okay, so in my opinion, it could be fair way to start looking at trading this range, 42,000 to about 40,500. And probably if you are option seller, you probably will have sideways or probably downwards movement. That is how I expect it to happen. But after that, there is going to be a wave third, which is going to make things go very fast upward for Bank Nifty. Okay, I've already done the Nifty video, so there are some divergences that I am seeing. So there are only two ways: either I am wrong in one of them, or they are actually indeed going to show the divergences. I'm very happy, even if I'm wrong, because even though I'm wrong, I know how to take my money from the table. So you also can be, but if I'm right, I take a lot. Even if I'm wrong, I take some. Even if I go wrong, I take 3% to 4% from the table. But if I'm right, I take 10%, 15% on the table. Yeah. So you could look at it that way. And in my opinion, you definitely need to have some opinion based on whatever you do. This is what I do. I've also talked about the market profile in other video. So at a high level, my combination is Elliot waves and market profile, and that is what helps me make my right decisions. So best of luck with everything, and I hope you found this useful. If you really found it useful, you can share it with others. You can subscribe to my channel. You can get added to my WhatsApp group. I am doing it only for I like doing it. No personal gains whatsoever. That's why I'm not marketing my websites. I'm not marketing my courses. I need people who are interested in learning. Yep. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great time and happy Mahashivratri. Let Lord Shiva energy be there with you. It's not about any religion or anything. It's more of symbol of energy, Shakti, power. Let it guide you to do the right things. Okay. Have a great time. Cheers. Bye.